everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. An urban garden for a small backyard is the art of maximizing limited outdoor space in a city environment to create a functional green sanctuary. It is a design philosophy that prioritizes verticality, clever zoning, and high-impact aesthetics to overcome the constraints of square footage. Unlike a traditional sprawling garden, an urban garden is about intentionality. It's where every pot, plant, and piece of furniture serves a purpose, blending the industrial feel of city living with the softening, restorative power of nature. It represents a personal rebellion against the concrete jungle, proving that you don't need an acre of land to cultivate a lush private retreat. Creating an urban garden offers a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond simple curb appeal. Firstly, it acts as a vital psychological escape, providing a quiet space for mindfulness and relaxation amidst the noise of city life. Environmentally, these gardens help reduce the urban heat island effect by cooling the air through transpiration and providing a much-needed habitat for local pollinators like bees and butterflies. Furthermore, a well-designed small garden can significantly increase your home's living space, essentially adding an outdoor room for dining or entertaining. Whether you are growing your own herbs to save on groceries or simply enjoying the improved air quality, an urban garden transforms a neglected patch of dirt into a high-value asset for your mental and physical well-being. To make a small urban backyard look truly stunning, you must focus on creating depth and visual interest. Through layering, start by using vertical elements like trellises, wall-mounted planters, or living walls to draw the eye upward, which makes the footprint feel larger than it actually is. Use a consistent color palette for your furniture and containers to create a cohesive boutique look. Monochromatic tones or natural wood finishes work wonders in tight spaces. Incorporating varied textures such as smooth stone pavers contrasted with soft ornamental grasses adds a professional touch. Finally, don't forget lighting. Stringing Edison bulbs or placing solar-powered spotlights among the foliage creates a magical evening ambience that makes the garden feel like a luxury lounge rather than just a backyard. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a thriving urban garden where space is at a premium. Opt for architectural plants that provide structure without taking over, such as columnar evergreens, slender bamboo in containers, or Japanese maples. For those with limited sunlight, hostas, ferns, and hydrangeas offer lush, leafy textures that thrive in the shadows of tall city buildings. If you have a sunny spot, consider a vertical herb garden with rosemary, thyme, and lavender, which provide both fragrance and utility. Climbing plants like clematis or star jasmine are also essential as they provide a green wallpaper effect on fences and walls. Lastly, ornamental grasses like Mexican feathergrass add movement and a modern, airy feel that prevents a small space from feeling cramped. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here, these are the collection of the top 10 best urban garden for small backyard ideas to spark your creativity. One, the seamless indoor-outdoor transition. This design features stunning bifold doors that completely open up the kitchen to a lush, brick-lined courtyard. The use of stepping stones set into a vibrant green lawn creates a clean geometric path that guides the eye toward the flower beds, filled with striking purple alliums and delicate white blooms. It's the perfect example of how to make a small urban space feel like a natural extension of your home's interior. 2. The modern minimalist blue sanctuary. This idea utilizes a bold, slate blue painted brick wall to create a moody and sophisticated backdrop for a compact dining area. Vertical wooden slatted panels hold minimalist potted plants, saving precious floor space on the high-quality artificial turf. The addition of hanging baskets overflowing with flowers adds a layer of overhead greenery that makes this small nook feel incredibly cozy and private. 3. The curved bench and hydrangea haven. A brilliant way to maximize seating is by installing a curved wooden bench along the perimeter of the garden. This setup is framed by massive, cloud-like white hydrangeas that provide a sense of luxury and softness. The circular lawn and stone patio work together to create a balanced, harmonious flow that makes this tiny backyard feel like a high-end botanical display. 4. The tiered woodland retreat. This design proves that even a narrow, sloping space can be transformed into a lush getaway by using timber retaining walls and gravel-lined paths. This garden creates multiple levels of interest. The mixture of deep green shrubbery, a small greenhouse, and a wooden dining deck at the far end provides a sense of discovery and depth that is often missing in urban plots. 5. The contemporary paver and grass grid. For a clean and architectural look, this garden uses large stone pavers interspersed with strips of grass to create a striking grid pattern. Modern black planters with tall ornamental grasses provide privacy and structure, while the comfortable outdoor lounge furniture makes the area feel like a high-end hotel terrace. It's a low-maintenance yet high-impact design for the modern homeowner. 6. The romantic herringbone brick path. This long, narrow garden is elevated by a classic herringbone-patterned brick walkway that leads the eye to a secluded seating area at the back. The white trellis fencing is covered in climbing greenery, providing privacy without feeling heavy. Bountiful flower borders on either side create a cottage garden feel that softens the surrounding city architecture beautifully. **********7. The rustic tiered patio with lavender accents. This charming design features a raised stone terrace, accessible by wide steps leading to a cozy wooden gate. The foreground is dominated by comfortable wicker chairs and a round bistro table, surrounded by aromatic lavender and vibrant pink flowers in terracotta pots. It's a perfect example of how to use different levels and varied container gardening to create a secret garden vibe. 8. The Zen Boardwalk in Fern Paradise. Utilizing a raised wooden boardwalk instead of a traditional path, this garden feels like a tranquil spa retreat. Large tropical ferns and manicured boxwood spheres create a lush, textured environment that feels cool and refreshing. The built-in wooden bench seating is both practical and stylish, making it a perfect spot for morning coffee among the greenery. 9. The ultimate outdoor kitchen and L-shaped lounge. This garden is a masterclass in urban zoning, featuring a fully equipped outdoor kitchen with a wood-fired oven and sleek slate countertops. Opposite the cooking station is a comfortable L-shaped sectional sofa on a clean tiled patio. The central square of turf provides a soft focal point, making this the ultimate space for those who love to cook and entertain outdoors. 10. The fire pit and winding wood path. Creating a focal point is easy. With a central fire pit surrounded by classic Adirondack chairs, a unique winding wooden boardwalk cuts through a landscape of soft ornamental grasses and gravel, leading to a raised sun deck. This design focuses on warmth and relaxation, proving that you can fit a multifunctional entertainment hub into a modest backyard footprint. Transforming a small urban backyard is all about seeing potential where others see limitations. By focusing on vertical growth, smart furniture choices, and a mix of textures, you can turn a cramped concrete space into a flourishing ecosystem that reflects your personal style. Remember, a garden doesn't have to be big to be beautiful. It just needs to be designed with heart and a bit of creativity. Your small backyard is a blank canvas waiting for its green transformation. If you found these urban garden tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're planning to upgrade your outdoor space. Click the bell icon so you never miss a video, and we'll see you in the next one.